Okay guys, so now I have some free time and I have my MacBook back. Well, not it back, I have a brand new MacBook, but that's in another video. It's 2 days until Christmas. It's 9 o'clock on December 23rd, and I thought I would make a video just filing off because I now have all of the parts to do with the PC build. I have one handy here which I'm going to show you. So first of all, here we have, pull this bit out. The OCZ, or OCZ, or however you want to pronounce it, Vendetta cooler. This is the Vendetta 1. It took forever to arrive, but it's here now. It's not that big. It's quite compact. It's going to go in my computer like that, or like that to you. The FO is going to come in the output, in the input through, and then it comes with a fan here that seats on there. And then it'll get pushed out, and then through my two 120mm exhaust fans on the P180. So this is very good. My friend Aaron Barefoot, you'll know him as Dead Fred or whatever on YouTube. I don't know if he's keeping his Dead Fred account. He's doing a lot of a transition now. But he has one of these. He highly recommended it to me, and yeah. This is a highly recommended cooler. I'll tell you how it works. Obviously, I'm not going to do a comparison between this and the stock Intel cooler because that would just be a waste of my time and thermal paste. It'd probably be quicker just to whack this fan in and be away. You know, I mean, apparently this thing's great for overclocking, and it should do my Intel Q6600 very well as it fits the socket 775. It's made this Vendetta in particular. The Vendetta 1 was made mainly for AMD chipsets. However, you know, the Vendetta, it does fit socket 775, so it will work on the Vendetta. It will work on the Intel chipsets. One thing that acutely worried me when I was making this, when I was opening this for the first time, was this attaches through push pins, and they're not exactly the most pressureful objects. So, yeah, it's probably something to be slightly cautious about, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I've just got some parts lined up here. I have a DVD IDE DVD reader here. This is from my old Dell. I'm probably going to chuck it in there. I might not, because out of the 3 drives that I have that I was going to put in there, this is probably the worst performing one. It doesn't fully work under OS X, and it's only reads DVDs. It doesn't burn them, unlike the other 2, which read DVDs and burn them as well. Another thing I have here is it's another thing from the Dell. It's a little card reader. I don't know what interface that is, so I'm not going to be able to plug it in very well. I don't know if it has it on the motherboard. I might have a look in a minute, but you know, this isn't going in straight away. It might do. We'll see what pans out. Just as a side note, while I get some stuff out of my cupboard, I will not be filming the build due to it's going to be on Christmas Day. And I'm going to have my family here, and they don't like being on camera. So I might be able to film little bits, and I'll take photos for you Flickr fanatics of mine, but I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to film it. Okay, so what else do we have here? Well, we have a 160GB Seagate Barracuda Serial ATA hard drive. This isn't the only hard drive that's going in here. This is the one I have handy. This is the one that came out of my Dell. It still has all my stuff on there, but I'm going to put Windows and Ubuntu on this drive here. And on the other drive, my good friend Oliver Hurst, who writes for ETN, so you should know him, as a Christmas present, he bought me a 320GB Western Digital Caviar, which is going to be great, and that's going to contain Mac OS X, as it's probably going to be my primary operating system. Down here, something else you've already seen. It's the Icasa 120mm fan. Yeah, pretty simple. Gonna be my intake fan. Great, hallelujah. Which shouldn't have been Britain's number one, by the way. It should have been Jeff Buckley. This Arctic Clean and another bit of and a like nearly empty tube of Arctic Silver. This is from Aranage. He chucks it in with products I'm about to show you in a minute because he felt bad it was so late, but he didn't need to do it, and it was just very kind of him. And I'm going to put that back because I don't want it getting everywhere. This is the thing that I bought from Aaron. It is 1 GB DDR2 1066 MHz sticks of RAM from Kingston, the HyperX stuff. It's got the nice heat sinks on it. If you head over to Aaron's video, you'll see these running in his machine. These are apparently 1066 MHz, which I have. Which I do actually have 3 gig of 533 MHz, but I've got some DDR3 RAM in this brand new MacBook, 2 gig, and it doesn't seem to get that full. So I'll buy I'm going to buy another set of 2 1 gigs at one point and boost this up to 4 gig, and that'll be all my needs, done for them. The very last piece that I have handy, I believe you've already seen, which is the motherboard. You've seen this all before, so it's just going to go back in. And yeah, so that's it for now. My parents have the rest of the stuff, the case and everything. So 7 minutes nearly now. I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll see you later. Bye bye. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all.